He's my E actually, but he's good. So, you didn't came now? No, we have just gone into the नहीं सर आप आया बैठा है तो हम बैठा मेरे को जगह तो भूखा नहीं हो जाएगा सर कोई बात नहीं actually we are involved with the case now right from the beginning morning so because of that like we didn't get time we had to arrange all those things बहुत बुरा हुआ है हाँ बहुत बुरा हुआ है why we have come here also because there was no other option just no come here yes sir I'm the MLA and he's a former MC of Umroi तो अभी उसके लिए तो कुछ करने पड़ेगा ठीक करने पड़ेगा नहीं होगा
ngam yo komplain ni
layak komplain berbalik lawan mau sepi tambah kata jing thol khem ai kata aktif ngala kali kat kini sini nak mana dia ha Pekmo saya manong ngambil tiga yang ba kumilya kam kumde sudah banjam ta kanno kulo kabawan kabalong kabarit na kabahe na phe di ban selection atoi abi dari ba kikhian ni department kinum ya tu kinum
yang betul kalau tapi habana wajah ando bendo
he utkut wayar betul
kut wayar kan kahap kasih tinggi lah berpredik yang tahu hap dah
Nakaliam local headman jo Umtangling. Wana approach.
Yes. Please arrange water for sir.
Wana approach fi verbally approach. Harbedai berusaha elektrik belajar dekut isakan dia. Dan nakaliam jo fi ngamti kedai nakala ngobas subhawan ra dari jingtro.
emang lebih
Mas ubat pengumnek. Dah baburong di age ni tu baik orang ada yes take action no. Akan right kapor ke babel ngam tharai begini gila ngot begini ya dia kan kalau pergi kalau jinglong negligent ya ke duty joki kum ke MeECL kena soye malah ke shimkhia marpat ki men sembri umlong ni leka dan tai sai nari satang little bit setang bendekor dia habla don pa complain la duat complain wat ukna le PD ban respond
kalau mereka bantu dikit ni saya elemen tu dia menunjukkan report ya
en khlad itu
hirani toyo lek se
ni lawan lang doktor itu doktor Mulong local headman di lawan yakin dulu
saya ni lawan belum selection dah
dia nanti buatkan ni kami akan tim buat kami ingin lakukan dia local MLA Umroi itu ngobeli ke dia pun kajing dia pun ni nak lagi dosok snow ki orang nak kajing bom shimkhia jom MeECL lada MeECL ke shimkhia kinam yap kini kilai man nama from time to time kila a lot complaints from MeECL dan beberapa ki rural headman ngim dei than ban yai prosedur orang ajing thau barbali betul petik tu dei ban petik dei than ban om ni gua officially dari jing thau betul no ba
kala pandai da ubah umur kata kecil ong tolong kalak pandai patah tu kecil joki kat kikhian kata kabru because he's saying that now he hasn't got any information about this how come here more than 10 times they came the headman of come here to complain regarding this how come maybe no maybe the JE is not interested at all just come here
sir JE is a lady who is like on contractual actually on contractual lady contractual but from her this one appearance also doesn't seem that like she will talk in a rough way or she will not do anything let her do like that see, very sober and
to be this thing since you're a senior most officer in this office I want all this thing to from now onwards from this thing from today onwards they should they shouldn't interact with the people rudely. I'm telling you.
That's-
Lots of things.
Yeah.
Regarding him also complaint has come. Don't mind. Regarding also complaint have come, and regarding him also SDO. He's the SDO of that area, na?
Yeah.
Regarding also a lot of complaint. I'll be very frank in front of you. I'll speak openly. Lots of complaint have come. Then from now onwards, to please. Whenever the people will come here, please accept them and please respond to them. The only thing I don't want anything from you. I don't have anything to take or give from you. I only want work and cooperation with the people. If you cooperate with them, they will automatically cooperate with you. Whether it's a small thing or bad thing, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, please take action on that particular time itself, if it's possible. That's my order as an MLA from here. Because जो भी क्या होता है, whatever happened there, whether it's that case or any whatever case that, your people always come to me only, MLA. So that is my humble request to you, Mr. Datta.
No, we have got the name. We have got the name, sir, but this is not clearly defined as nominee, no. He has mentioned as that they are like parents. But exact nominee has to be certified. Because they will be checked, no.
Okay, you don't worry about that. I think so. Today we won't be free. The headman won't be free today because
Yes,
three people that are same village.
Yes.
No. So tomorrow is a holiday.
Monday. No problem, sir. Monday. But it has to be in the letterhead where he certify that they are the nominee.
We'll do one thing. Let him come. Maybe he won't be fluent in speaking with you because by English or Hindi, na?
Yeah.
He will speak to us. Yes, I think yeah, but more. Sabah time only. But sir, me orang sini tu lebih mau. Kita mana ni ban main ni ban torture ni orang wan kuat nak kam. Hero putri kamera, kipai baru pun. Dengan dia super pi. Mau kata dia jangan kemana ni ban torture ni. Mau ngirat kam ni ka kumni baru barister job hero ngirat kam ni ka teamwork. Kadang ka teamwork, jangan kam dia. Kadang ka teamwork tak pun force ni. Please, kata mau siapa? Tell me one thing.
Yes.
I'll send him on Monday.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll come to you here.
Yeah.
Then the SDO SDO money will
Yes.
will brief whatever to do. He brief you come on talk. Now we can let you know. We talk. Can let it compulsion. And I just wanted to ask you, what kind of compensation is there? Like what type of compensation? Financially or financially? Not like how much? Like I just want to distinguish.
Sir, actually, in terms of fatal is 1.5 lakhs.
Yes.
But sir, I think our CMD was thinking that like we will talk with the CM today. Because this is a very like child of children. If we can do something extra also. He was telling me, that give me the report first. I'll go to the report, then I will see what can be done.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Regarding this, you will be. Regarding this, I won't give it to you.
Yes.
Me and you will be the main responsible.
Correct. Sir, if you wait from you, sir, also you have to push.
I'll push.
We are fine by the SKCR this one, no rules. So you, sir, what you can do from your level to from our level, we cannot do.
No, I'll speak to the high command. They'll do something. I'll
Yes.
From which this to give, usually they'll increase a little bit more.
Yes. If they can do
Because
that.
this dedication is not, it's unfortunate that actually. It's not that they are sick or something.
Yes.
It's unfortunate that. No, it's an accident. Injury death. Okay.
Even for our staff, sir, 1.5 will give. What's the problem? No.
Okay.
1.5 lakhs for 1 year. But when people come to us, we should greet them with proper way. There should be a proper way to greet them at least. How much problem we can solve is a different thing. But at least listen to them, be very comfortable, make them comfortable, seat them, make them comfortable, make them sit, and understand the problem carefully. Then we will discuss how far we can solve the problem. Okay, it's not that just because they have come, you tell them, no, we cannot do it, just go, we'll see afterwards. Don't do that. At least accept that, accept the problem. No. Okay, we'll see, sir, we'll see.
So, chalo, ठीक है regarding